It is my absolute pleasure to be here today. As John mentioned, for those of you who don't know, my name is Stacey Smith, and I'm the Senior Development Director of the Northern New England chapter of the CF Foundation. I'm here because Lisa O'Connor, my Executive Director, is unable to be here this morning for the opening remarks, but she will be arriving later on this morning, and I know she's so super excited to see a lot of faces she hasn't seen in a while. Our office is located in Nashua, New Hampshire, and we coordinate the fundraising efforts for CF in Maine, Vermont, and New Hampshire. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our wonderful team of caregivers from the Maine Medical Center and Chest Medicine Associates, who are integral partners of the Care Center team. We're so fortunate to have a dedicated team, as we do here in Northern New England, to provide the highest level of care for our CF patients. Also, to our wonderful families and volunteers in the room, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for being the backbone of the CF Foundation. Your generosity, commitment, and dedication are what make it possible to achieve the progress in research. In addition, on behalf of Lisa, and the National CF Office, and myself, I'd like to recognize Brad Kirkpatrick. Brad, I know you're supposed to be here. Are you here yet?
He's going to be here at 11.
Okay, he'll be here at 11. Okay, well, when he arrives, he is our corporate recruitment chairperson for the Portland Great Strides Walk this year. Okay, so for those of you who are new to the foundation, since 1955, the CF Foundation has been the driving force behind the pursuit of a cure. The Cystic Fibrosis Foundation is the world's leader in research for the cure for cystic fibrosis. The foundation funds more CF research than any organization. We receive no federal funding and rely on the generosity of our donors and fundraising events throughout the year. We are proud to say that we've been recognized by the Better Business Bureau as an accredited charity. In addition, nearly 90% of every dollar of foundation revenue goes to support vital CF research, medical, and educational programs. This is a historic time in the fight against cystic fibrosis. Promising therapies that treat the underlying cause of CF rather than just the symptoms are in late-stage clinical trials. If successful, these drugs could change the face of the disease and the prognosis of all those who suffer from it. In fact, earlier this year, the CF Foundation announced that phase 2/3 clinical trial of the VX-770 showed remarkable results. VX-770 is an oral drug in development that repairs the genetic defect in CF. The studies tested VX-770 in patients diagnosed with a G551D genetic mutation. One study evaluated people aged 12 and older, the other children 6 to 11. In both trials, those receiving the drug demonstrated a marked improvement in lung function compared to those on placebo, and significant improvements in sweat chloride levels, weight gain, and other key indicators of the disease. VX-770 is being developed by Vertex Pharmaceuticals and was discovered in collaboration with the CF Foundation. Vertex plans to submit a new drug application to the FDA for VX-770 the second half of 2011, so later on this year, and we're hoping for drug approval mid-2012. Our fundraising is done through special events, as many of you know. Many of you participate in our events that range from traditional events such as walkathons, such as our Great Strides Walk, which will be taking place this Saturday in Portland, golf tournaments, bicycle rides, food and wine tasting events, ski events, as well as non-traditional events such as dirt bike rides, motorcycle rides, and snowmobile events. Our mission is to raise life-saving dollars for research and at the same time bring much-needed awareness to our CF cause. We are very proud of the fact that the foundation has been recognized by publications such as Smart Money as one of the most efficient organizations of its kind. The Cystic Fibrosis Foundation is truly adding tomorrow's every day. To continue to support our growing research and drug development efforts, it is very important to continue to grow our existing community and reach out to new audiences. We hope that you will help us spread this awareness by educating people about our efforts to ultimately make CF stand for Cure Found. If anyone is interested in learning more about this, please let me know. I'd be happy to talk with you later, or sign up for our breakout group. Or come to our Great Strides Walk, which is like the biggest party ever that we have for CF in Maine, or in Portland, throughout the course of the year. And it's, again, this Saturday. I'd also like to mention that Cystic Fibrosis Services Pharmacy is a partner in supporting our research efforts. In addition to being a pharmacy, funds are also used to support CF research priorities. They provide you and your family with personalized service, patient advocacy, education, and reimbursement support to those in need. Please consider using CF Services Pharmacy for all your family needs. Mohammed is here, and he's happy Mohammed. He's the happiest guy ever. He'd be glad to answer any questions you have about CF Services. So thank you. I hope you enjoy your day, and I hope that it's informative and inspiring. Thank you.